Hello, everyone, and welcome to Purdue Mechanical Engineering's Spring 2021 Malott Innovation Awards. My name is Todd Nelson, and I am the Assistant Director of Senior Design for Mechanical Engineering. We're here today to recognize our graduating seniors as they complete the final capstone project of their undergraduate career here at Purdue. In senior design, students work in teams of 5 to 6 to identify a problem and then design, build, and test a working prototype to solve that problem. This experience enables the students to combine and put into practice all the engineering principles they have learned throughout their undergraduate curriculum. During this past week, the student teams presented the results of their projects to a panel of Purdue Mechanical Engineering alumni who work in various industries, and this panel had the difficult task of selecting the award-winning teams. Like most things in 2021, we had to do things a little differently. Due to COVID, we had restrictions that limited in-person activities in classrooms, labs, and workshops. The majority of the projects were able to be done in person while socially distanced, but others completed their projects entirely remotely, and some of them even in multiple time zones in multiple countries. Despite the additional challenges posed by these unique situations, the students persevered and produced some very amazing senior design projects. So to the students, I want to congratulate all of you on your work. Well done. And you should all be very proud of what you've accomplished. As of for today, we're going to recognize those that have been chosen the most innovative. We call these the Malott Innovation Awards because they are supported by an endowment created in 2007 by Thomas J. Malott, who graduated from Purdue Mechanical Engineering in 1962. He received an honorary doctorate in 2002. Tom has a long history of innovation throughout his career, and he brought that passion into the senior design course through the creation of this event that has become a great Purdue Mechanical Engineering tradition and something that students, faculty, and staff look forward to each semester. Tom has been involved with every senior design class since creating the Malott Innovation Awards in 2007, and we appreciate the opportunity he has given these students by creating these awards. This semester, we had 50 total projects among 297 students. Out of those 50, faculty chose the top 17 projects to go to our panel of alumni judges. Each of the top 17 teams created a narrated PowerPoint presentation to highlight their product's design features, customer benefits, and innovation. The panel of judges consisting of Purdue ME alumni with a wide range of industry experience and of course, very impressive credentials as you would expect from Purdue ME alums, ranked the projects based on innovation, engineering excellence, society impact, and the quality of the presentation. The judges themselves wanted to comment on the winning projects, and I'm happy to give them the floor now. First off, we have a special award for outstanding prototype, given to a team who made the effort to physically build the best functioning prototype from their designs. To present this award is one of our judges, David Garissimo. David got his BSME from Purdue in 1998 and is now Vice President of International Operations for American Axle and Manufacturing in Detroit, Michigan. Take it away, Dave.
In terms of the engineering development and design process, I think the judges feel that the ability to prototype and iterate prototypes is very important in order to continue that development process and the design process. The prototype that we thought performed very, very well was a very high fidelity prototype. It was fully functional, well thought out in terms of the design, well thought out and executed in terms of the actual manufacturing process, including both mechanical and electrical, as well as the human interface award. And based on that, the judges are happy to award the most outstanding prototype award to the Boiler Bakers.
Congratulations, Boiler Bakers. This team created a kitchen gadget called the Measure Mint, designed to dispense the correct portion of up to 12 different spices, powders, and other ingredients. Beyond just designing it, they also built a working prototype and even developed a touchscreen interface which does all the work electronically. Congratulations to all of you on this awesome prototype and for receiving this distinguished award. Next, we will announce third through first most innovative projects. We will start with the third place innovation award. To present this award is one of our judges, Dan Inlow. After receiving his BSME from Purdue in 1983, He worked for Northrop Grumman for 18 years. He now serves as Vice President of Engineering for the satellite communications company, ThinCom. Here now is Dan.
I want to talk about a team that they're spread all over the world, and they did a tremendous job presenting this. I'd like to present the third place for innovation to eArtists.
Congratulations, eArtists. These students used engineering to solve a cultural problem. More people want to learn Chinese calligraphy, but fewer instructors are available to teach the art form in person. Working remotely in both the US and China, this team created a machine which physically leads students through basic exercises in calligraphy. With a Bluetooth-enabled app, this system can grade students on their performance and offer tips on how to improve their calligraphy skills. This was a very unique product, and we offer our congratulations to the team eArtists. Now on to our second place Innovation Award winners. Let's hear from our next judge, Andre Lewix. Andre got his degree from Purdue Mechanical Engineering in 1983 and went on to a 36-year career with ExxonMobil, doing business in more than 50 countries. Here's Andre with our second place winners.
It's been a pleasure being a judge. I'd like to talk about a team that really addressed a global issue today that is near and dear to most people's hearts. It addresses specifically some engineering challenges we have around global warming. And the amount of money that we spend around the world heating and cooling our homes is tremendous. It's $35 billion just in the United States alone, and growing as the globe gets warmer. So without any further ado, I'd like to award the second place prize to Radicool.
Congratulations to the Radicool team. They found a unique use for a Purdue invention, barium sulfate paint, which reflects 98% of solar radiation. They created a pre-cooling apparatus for air conditioning systems designed to sit on the roof of a building. Pipes coated in the white paint are passively cooled below ambient temperature, and this pre-cooled water means that the air conditioner doesn't have to expend as much energy to achieve the same level of cooling, which not only reduces energy cost, but also reduces carbon emissions. Congratulations, Team Radicool. And now it's time to announce our first place team in this year's Malott Innovation Awards. Here with the winners is one of our judges, Bob Connors. After his BSME at Purdue in 1989, Bob went on to a law degree from Loyola University, Chicago. He now works as a patent attorney, working on patent procurement and intellectual property litigation around the world. Take it away, Bob.
I'd first like to say that watching 17 videos, I was extremely impressed with everybody. But I'm here to talk about a team that the judges, other judges and I agreed showed tons of effort, a lot of good engineering, a lot of good ideas for a design that's going to help people that are in pain, that have just got done with surgery. Specifically, one of the things we found inventive was the use of a Peltier cooler instead of an ice cooler, which is going to help immensely in terms of usability. And then also the setting of an angle using a stepper motor as opposed to mechanical linkages and pins, which has been done in the past and which is very, very cumbersome. And without further ado, we'd like to present the first place Innovation Award to BFit Brace.
Congratulations to our winners. The BFit team created a leg brace designed to help patients who undergo knee surgeries or other leg injuries. During physical therapy, patients are required to variously apply heat, cooling, compression, and traction. The BFit brace accomplishes all four of these activities in one device without the need for patients to ever leave home. Particularly of note is the cooling aspect, which usually involves ice bags or other messy solutions. The BFit team integrated a Peltier cooler, which accomplishes the same function with no mess and can be customized through a touchscreen interface. For this, the BFit team receives first place in the Malott Innovation Awards. In addition to the 4 judges that presented here, we also want to thank the other judges that helped us analyze these projects. Nathan Glenn, BSME from 2019, Aaron Murphy, BSME of 1994, and Ken and Jennifer Cotillo, and of course the namesake of the event, Tom Malott, who has guided this process from the very start. To conclude, I want to again say how impressed all the senior design instructors and our expert judges were with the projects you developed this year. You have overcome tremendous adversity during your senior year, and you are a very impressive group of students. Every one of you should be very proud of completing a Purdue Mechanical Engineering degree and for the work you have done in your senior design capstone. I'm very proud to call myself a Purdue Boilermaker, and with this amazing class of students, I know the future remains very bright. Congratulations again, and from all the senior design instructors, we wish you the best in all your future endeavors and hope to see you back soon, maybe even as judges for the Malott Innovation Awards. Boiler up and hail Purdue.